First, we have to plot points P, R, S. So let's draw XY plane. X-axis, Y-axis. We have to choose unit. First coordinate is always X, the second is Y. X, Y, X, Y. First point is 1, 1, so for X 1, for Y 1, so this is our point P. Point R has coordinates negative 1, 1, so this is our point R. And the third point is negative 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, negative 4, and Y is 5. So approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be here. So our point S is approximately here. Now we have to draw angle PRS. It means the vertex is in point R. This line is this ray PRP is parallel to x-axis because second coordinate is 1 and the second side of our angle is ray RS. We got our angle. This is our angle R, and measure of angle, we can write R or PRS. We see is greater than 90 degrees because when we draw here parallel line to y-axis, this angle is 90 degrees and we have more than 90 degrees. So our angle is obtuse. So we can write the measure of our angle is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. That's why our angle is obtuse angle. We have to find the point that lays in the interior of our angle. Interior of our angle is between ray RP and RS. Any point which you choose from this part of our plane is interior. So let's choose, for example, for x1 and for y3 will be. This is our point A, which has coordinates 1, 3, and this point lays in the interior of our angle, is between side RP and RS. This is my solution.